Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Login. Today I'm back with another video on how to download OnlyFans application on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To download OnlyFans application, go and tap open your Play Store for your Android, and you can also tap open your App Store if you're using an iOS operating system. Now, as soon as you do that, go to the search button at the top of the screen and type in OnlyFans into the search box. Once you make your search, you should find the application on the next page. You can also go to your web browser on your phone and then in the search box type in download OnlyFans APK and search. From the search results displayed on the screen, you can go ahead and pick any one link. In my case, I'm gonna tap on this second link right here, which will take me to softsonic.com. Simply tap on this free APK download button right here, and you'll be able to download the APK version for your OnlyFans app. At the bottom of the pop-up, tap on OK and wait for the download process to finish. You can tap on the details button at the bottom to view the progress for your download. And once you are done with the download, tap on the file that you have downloaded, and in the pop-up, tap on install to install the application on your smartphone. Once the application is done with the installation, tap on open from the pop-up, and there you have downloaded OnlyFans application on your mobile device. OnlyFans is a content subscription service based in London. If you create your content on OnlyFans, you can earn money from users who subscribe to your content, and they will also be leveled as fans. I hope you learned how to download OnlyFans application on your mobile device. If you did find the video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to leave any kind of a comments for us, go ahead and do it in the comment box. We'll be sure to get back to you on those comments, and I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.